Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the details and information about a particular product on the Amazon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should search for a product by tapping on the home button down below and typing in the name of the product that you are looking for. Tap on the particular product that you would like to know more details about. Scroll down till you find this details section. Here you can read about the brand, color, form factor, compatible phone models, material. And if you scroll down, you will see a chart including product information, and here you can also read about features and details, product dimensions, item weight, model number, other display features, color, manufacturer, country of origin, date first available, screen size, and item dimensions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.